My dear students, today we are going to discuss unfinished chapter trade cycles or business cycles. Trade cycles or business cycles are common in the economy. So first we have to know the meaning of business and cycles. What is the meaning of business? Any activity is doing for the purpose of getting profit is called business. So profit and loss is a part of the business. So profit is essential to success of the business, to survival of the business, the stability of the business. So the entrepreneurs may not get always profits because if the conditions are not favorable in the market, they may get losses also. So whenever they may get loss, downtrend is going on in the business. Whenever they may get profit, upswing is going on. Upswing means what? Higher development. And downtrend means what? Low performance. So that is the reason a cycle means what? One time they will experience loss, one time they will experience profit. These are the ups and downs common in the business. So that is the reason we had to study trade cycles in a detailed manner. I will give one example. In the 1920s, UK experienced the unprecedented development, highest stock market values. There was an overall improvement in the economy. This is one case. And another case in China. Recently, economic slowdown, political disturbances, and finally the growth rate come down very lowest level. This is another case. So first case is example of prosperity, boom or peak. Second case is example of recession. Recession means what? Low performance of the economy. Boom or prosperity means highest performance of the economy. So today COVID-19 is also challenge to economies of the world. Most of the economies were disrupted by COVID-19. So this is one of the major cause today, the ups and downs in the business. So that is the reason we have to study what is trade cycle, what are the features, what are the phrases, how to overcome these trade cycles, how to predict the trade cycles. These are all essential to entrepreneur to know the impact of the trade cycles. So what are the changes are required in the business when the trade cycle is formed, and sometimes we have to minimize the loss when the trade cycle is formed. So we are going to discuss what is trade cycle. So trade cycle means what? Rhythmatic fluctuations in aggregate economic activity that an economy experiences over a period of time is called trade cycles or business cycles. So rhythmatic fluctuations, rhythmatic in music, rhythm, ups and down, rhythmatic fluctuation means what? Ups and downs. So sometimes high performance, sometimes low performance, sometimes bumper profit, sometimes bumper losses. In aggregate economic activity, aggregate means what? Totals. It is related to macroeconomics. So in macroeconomics, we study the national income, GNP, aggregate supply, aggregate demand, total production, total savings, total investments, like that. So ups and downs these are the aggregates. So these are the ups and downs is called it as trade cycles. And we know the more meaning about trade cycles. So business cycles composed of bad trade and good trade. Bad trade means what? Bad trade means what? That's called falling prices and high unemployment levels. Falling prices is a bad trade to entrepreneurs. And high unemployment rate, it is a bad mark to government. And good trade is characterized by reverse. That's called rising prices and low unemployment levels. Rising prices helps to the entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are very happy. And low unemployment levels are the good mark of the business, good performance of the government. So that's the reason it is a consisting bad trade and good trade in business cycles. So bad trade indicates boom, bad trade indicates that's called recession, a low performance, and good trade indicates prosperity. Alternative expansion and contraction, overall economic activity. Alternative expansion and contraction. So sometimes business is expansionist takes place, sometimes contractionist takes place. Contraction means what? Declining normal level of performance, low level of performance. And another meaning is economic fluctuations measured in, that's called the fluctuations already measured in aggregates, that's called GNP, employment, income, aggregate demand, aggregate supply. So these economic fluctuations are recurrent. Recurrent means what? It appears again and again, but not always at regular intervals. We cannot say particular period this kind of trade cycles formed. We cannot say, because it depends upon the conditions of the economy. If the conditions are favorable, that kind of trade cycles is going to form. So that is the reason the length of the business cycles is not the same. How many years they stay in the economy, we cannot say. So some are long lasting for several years. Some are stay in the business 8 or 10 years. Suppose COVID-19 effect is 3 or 4 years in our country. Especially 147 lakhs of the crores was lost because of the COVID-19 in our country according to Niti Ayog, that's called Planning Commission. So some are short ending 2 or 3 years. This is the complete meaning of the business cycles.